Okay, so it's another crazy day. We didn't pick up any trash today, but we did a lot of maintenance. We did brakes on the truck and put new shocks on her, tuned up the big Chevy, and then on our Dodge, we did new brakes, new shocks, new brakes. Drives awesome now. There's brand new shocks in there. Beautiful. And then it's great. We were working, a customer called and asked if they could come and drop off a mattress. And I'm like, yeah, we're gonna charge you. And they're like, no worries. So they come, they literally throw it in my truck. Here it is. It's a beauty in a bag. Paid us $150. Awesome. So at home, doing our brakes, customer calls, drops off their mattress in the back of my truck and gives me $150 cash money. It's an awesome world. God bless America. So if you need anything picked up, or if you just want to drop it off, give us a holler at thehaulerjunkremoval.com. We're there, same day.